Today marks the fourth day Providence healthcare workers are on the picket line.
So Providence says plans are in place to resume negotiations with workers at some locations, but not all of them. Thomas Schultz is covering this story for us live at Providence St. Vincent in Southwest Portland. So Thomas, this has become the big question this morning. Who's in and who's out when it comes to negotiations?
Yeah, well, Drew, in China, Medford and Newburgh are now in, according to Providence. Everybody else is still out of those negotiations, and that's a large swath of Providence workers. That's left some frustration here among healthcare workers at Providence St. Vincent who are still confused why their bargaining has not resumed yet. Now, across our state in Oregon, Providence has about 5,000 healthcare workers on strike. For the first time in state history, that strike also includes doctors. Around 100 of them are on the picket lines, including some here at Providence St. Vincent. And they say they're frustrated. Providence is resuming negotiations at just 2 locations.
Fixing problems at one hospital versus fixing problems at another hospital doesn't solve the problem. That we all do the same jobs everywhere we work.
Though Providence says it's not so simple as that logic, they say it's actually up to individual hospitals that bargain with their staff.
So I'm not at those tables. You know, these are individual hospitals, and they are the teams that bargain those agreements.
Now, healthcare workers say there's a couple of things they're looking for to solve this strike. One is higher levels of staffing. They also say they're looking for competitive wages. Nurses and doctors that we've spoken to over the past few days say people often leave Providence to work at other hospitals in the Portland metro area that just pay more money. Providence says they are attentive to those staffing level concerns, and they say they also offered a contract to nurses raising wages. Going forward, Providence also says they're going to work with a mediator to schedule those bargaining sessions down in Newburgh and in Medford. They also say that they are optimistic bargaining will begin soon in other locations as well.